Okay, as all of you know, saw overmen don't pay retail. So we got this here on the side of the road, a little more. To replace the one I had to donate to the hunting camp, although I don't have anything to mow. But I usually like to have a mower around in case somebody needs to use one. This one's got the big wheels, maybe even better for the hunting camp, but let's show you what our this is, I'll show you first. This is interesting here. Very interesting exhaust setup there. Let's see what we got when we start. See, it does run. Why does it run like that here? Let me show you. We've already done this one time here. It has no blade. See, and that coupled with the very interesting exhaust is what's making it sound like that. But yeah, it's a run okay. So a little bit of work to do to it. Thanks for watching.